Hey guys, welcome to Unreal Starter Kit. Today we're just going to be making a quick countdown timer. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's go to content browser. Okay, we'll right click and we want to create a user interface widget blueprint, the user widget. Okay, we can say WB underscore count down timer. Okay, we can go into it. Okay, now we want to add in a canvas panel. Okay, and then we want to add in a text. We want to add in text. Now for the text, we're going to anchor it. I'm going to anchor it to the top. Just take these away, and then position, I'll say 50. And then we need to tick on the right random top is variable. We need to tick is variable and just change this to the timer. Just name it timer. Compile that, save. Let's go on the right hand side to the graph. Okay. So now we're gonna have to add in a new variable. I'm gonna say countdown. I'm gonna change it to a float. Okay, now we have to compile and save so we can put in the variable here at the bottom. How long it's going to be? I'm going to say 60 seconds. Okay. So now we want to pull in the countdown. Get countdowns. Now we want to subtract. And then, okay, let's drag it out and get world delta seconds. Get world delta seconds. We need to get a clamp float. Okay, the min will be 0 and the max is going to be our countdown. Okay, now let's make a custom event. Add custom event. Let's going to say count down timer. Okay, then the countdown we're gonna say set. Okay, from the clamp into here, the timer into set. Okay, now this one over here we're gonna get we need time to string. Time seconds to string. Okay, we need to get our timer out. Get timer. From the timer, we need to set text. Okay, from time seconds to string into set text. And then from set into here. Okay, let me just move this nicely. Okay, and then event tick, we're going to take the countdown timer. Event tick to countdown timer. Now we can compile and save. Okay, so if you want it just to be in the level, we're going to go to the top list of world blueprints and open level blueprint, and then by event begin play, we're going to drag this out and say create widget. Then we're going to select our widget countdown timer, and then we will say add to viewport. Compile and save. That it will then just add the countdown timer to this level. So every level that you go click on, it will only show if you add it in. So if we have another level, it won't be there. Okay, but if you want it to be on all the levels, you have to add it in individually. Or if you only have one character, then you'll go to your third person blueprints, your third person character or your first person character, and you'll add it in here by begin play. Okay, so I will go to my level blueprint. I'll delete this. Let me show you now quickly that it's not there anymore. Okay, now I'll go to the third person character. I will say begin play. I'll get event begin play, and then from here create widget, then select countdown timer, and then add to viewport. Compile and save. Let's minimize this. Now every time you play with this character, doesn't matter what level it is, the countdown timer will be there. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, let's go back to third person character. We delete it here. Let's create a new blueprint. So let's go to blueprints, right click, blueprint class, actor, and we can call this timer box. BP timer box. You can name it whatever you want. Now we're going to add in a box collision. I'm going to set this to 5. And then scroll down on component begin overlap and select the box on the left hand side again, on component end overlap. So other actors will be cast to third person character. From here create widget. Let's select our countdown timer and then add to viewport. Okay, and then when we leave the box, we want it to stop. So now we cast to third person character. Now this one we get all widgets of class. And then countdown timer out of this pin, exec pin, remove from parent, and then connect them. So on component begin overlap, you need the create widget. On component end overlap, you need get all widgets of class. Okay, compile and save. Now let's add in this blueprint over here. Press R to scale it. We can scale it up a little bit. Okay, now we can play from here. So now when we enter the box, the timer will start. When we leave the box, it will go away. So when we go back in, it starts again. When we leave, it ends. Okay, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.